Assalamu alaikum students, welcome back in our reading class. Today we will do read phonic is fun, page number 6. Take out this book from your bag and open page number 6. Now look at the picture. According to this picture, here we have a sentence and we are going to read this sentence. As I told you, before reading we should pronounce all letter sound which you can see in a word like D-A-I-S-Y. We have to pronounce all sounds. Then we will connect them with each other. Okay? Now let's start reading. Try to read this sentence after me. Daisy, H-A-S, has. Single A will give us long sound. G-I-F-T, gift. F-O-R, for. M-A-Y, may. Daisy has a gift for May. I-T-S, it's a P-R-E-T, pretty, T-Y-T, pretty. C-H-A-I-N, chain. It's a pretty chain. Daisy has a gift for me. It's a pretty chain. Now come on, page number 7. Look at this picture. According to this picture, here we have a sentence and we are going to read this. B-A-I, bay, L-E-Y, lay. Bailey, B-R-O-U-G-H-T. Pronounce the sound brought. H-E-R, her. T-O-Y, to-I, T-R-A-I-N. Train. Bailey brought her. To-I, train. I-T-H-H-D, hat. R-E-D, rat. P-A-I-N-T, paint. Ballet brought her a toy train. It had a red paint. Good. Now try to read these 2 pages at home. Just remember one thing, whenever you want to try to read any sentence, just recall the phonics in your mind, pronounce the sound, then connect the sound with each other as I told you recently and read the sentence. Okay?